Common method bias, or CMB, refers to the variance that is attributable to the measurement method rather than to the constructs the measures represent. This type of bias occurs when the measurement method introduces a systematic error that affects the responses on the variables being measured, leading to inaccurate or misleading results. CMB is a concern in research because it can inflate or deflate the observed relationships between variables, making it difficult to discern the true nature of these relationships. Here are some common sources of CMB. 1. Single source bias. When data for both the predictor and criterion variables are collected from the same source, for example, the same respondent, it can lead to artificially high correlations. 2. Measurement context effects. The context in which the measurements are taken, such as the physical environment, the time of day, or the survey administration mode, can influence responses. 3. Item characteristic effects. Characteristics of the items themselves, such as wording, format, or scale type, can influence how respondents answer. 4. Item context effects. The order or grouping of items in a survey can impact responses. For example, respondents may provide consistent answers to items that are placed next to each other, regardless of their true opinions. 5. Social desirability bias. Respondents may provide answers they believe are socially acceptable or favorable rather than their true thoughts or feelings. 6. Acquiescence bias. This occurs when respondents have a tendency to agree with all items or statements in a survey, regardless of the content.